Hi Kamiranda! This is Mentor AJ, one of the GMMG mentors. And sa video na to, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa at mag-verify na account sa OKX. So tara, panoorin nyo ang video na ginawa ko para sa inyo.
The first thing you need to do is open up your browser. And then on the search tab, type www.okx.com.
Or pwede mo din scan ang QR code na nasa screen. Do not miss the chance dahil may special event Grand Bonanza ang OKX kung saan pwede kang manalo ng special rewards like USDT vouchers and Apple MacBook depending on your trading volume. And to register your account, on the upper right corner of your screen, click the sign up button.
Select your country or region of residence. In my case, I will be choosing Philippines. Read the terms of service, risk and compliance disclosure, and privacy policy statement, and then agree by checking the box, then click the next button. Select confirm. Next, type your email accordingly. And the referral code, Coach Miranda, then click the sign up button. Check your email for the authentication code, then copy and input it on the blank space given. Next is input your mobile number accordingly and then click Verify Now button. Wait for the authentication code and then create your password. And that's it! Finally, you have successfully created your OKX account. You may now start verifying your account by clicking the Verify Now button. Select Individual Verification. On the Identity Verification, you will be required to provide ID and selfie verification and personal information. Then click Verify Now button. Select ID type. I'll be choosing driver's license and then click Next. Upload your valid ID accordingly and have your selfie verified. And that's it! You have now successfully verified your OKX account.
At ganun nga lang kadali gumawa na account sa OKX. For more informations about cryptocurrency trading, huwag kalimutang pinutin ng subscribe button and paki-like naman ng video na to. Salamat ka Miranda! See you!
This is the Global Miranda Miner Group, our home of the culture of Malasakit. This is the Global Miranda Miner Group, our home of the culture of Malasakit.